Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and one thing that has helped me so much during my recent kitchen remodel, especially when decisions started to feel overwhelming, is this RAL K7 Color Chart. So this chart includes 216 gloss colors, and what makes it so useful is that it lets you see the color in real life. So you're not just looking at a screen, or you're not just going somewhere and looking at the color, because you can see it in its natural habitat where you are going to use it in your home or outside or wherever. So I use it constantly to match colors to existing finishes, fabrics, surfaces, and materials around my home. I hold it up to different items, compare shades, and then I can move into different lighting conditions, inside, outside, even by my pool. Seeing how a color changes in natural light versus indoor light and the light of my home makes such a difference, and this chart makes that all easy to do. When you're remodeling, tiny undertone differences really matter. Something that looks perfect online can feel completely wrong once you see it in your actual space. I really appreciate how small and compact this chart is, so it's easy to carry around the house, take outside, bring with me when I'm comparing options. It's convenient, well organized, straightforward. So remodeling or any project can be so stressful, and decision fatigue is real, but having a reliable physical color reference like this one has taken a lot of the pressure off. And that is my point of view.